Flexible Manufacturing System, FAIR/FMC, was uniquely created and developed by Fair Friend Group. The idea behind FMC is that while batch lot processing of similar workpieces is taking place, different processing operations can be carried out at the same time. Consisting of CNC machine tools and automatic transport carts that are controlled by a center computer, the FMC generates an unparalleled flexible production streamline suitable for any kind of special processing requirements. The FMC is composed of one cell controller exclusively developed by Fairfriend Group, one FMH400 horizontal machining center, one FV800 APC vertical machining center, one FTC280 MC automatic lathe, one robotic arm, 2 loading/unloading stations, 3 temporary storages, 1 railed guided vehicle and 1 7-line 3-layer automatic storage. The operation process begins as such. After the system starts operation, the cell controller will choose the correct transport pallet according to manufacturing orders and working priorities and move it to the next processing station. Firstly, pallet transports from the automatic storage to loading, where finished workpieces will be unloaded and unprocessed workpieces collected. At this point in time, if there are transport pallets on the next manufacturing equipment line, or if the loading or unloading station is not free, the transport pallet will be moved back to automatic storage, waiting for the next manufacturing equipment. When the transport pallet intends moving towards the automatic lathe for the processing operation, transport pallets will first be transferred to the temporary storage in the front of the robotic arm. This is when the cell controller issues loading orders to the robotic arm, which will start loading workpieces to the chuck end of the lathe. After the chuck holds the workpiece tightly, cell control will launch NC applications according to the manufacturing process. After the processing finishes, cell controller will give an unloading instruction to the robotic arm, which will then remove workpiece from chuck to the pallet. The transport cart. It transports pallets which operate according to command priorities. Pallets with the highest priorities will be transferred to the next manufacturing process. The loading/unloading station. When the transport cart moves the pallet to the loading/unloading station, technicians will exchange the processed workpiece with an unprocessed one. If it is a finished product, it will be checked visually for defects. If it has a defect, the defect button will be pressed. When everything is running smoothly, the workpiece exchange button will be activated to account for all products in process. These include quality products as well as defected products, and wait for the transport cart for transferring. Automatic storage retrieval system. There are 42 sections in this plant and can be reconfigured according to customers' requirements. Pallets are all numbered and parked at their corresponding positions, which means that after sending out the pallet, no matter if it is a finished product or only for temporary storage, the pallet will be returned back to where they were. For example, pallet 3 will only be sent back to section 3. The cell controller. This is the brain of the FMC process, which dictates batch working orders, commands, logistics, calculations, and presents the I/O message collected graphically. The cell control box is the structure equipped with the control panel for easy operation. This cell controller has many other different functions. These include pallet setting, work order management, processing setting, prevention and service, system maintenance, supervision control, I/O graphics, tool management, efficiency analysis, processing history analysis, all of which are user-friendly and easy to operate. The FMC system is able to offer flexible manufacturing processes to accommodate demanding customer orders and is suitable for any processing streamline to reduce production cost, stock and products in the process levels. The FMC combines processing equipment, material storage and transportation by means of automation technology to maximize system efficiency. Because the system can supervise all of the above equipment and issue the best available production orders, it can reduce processing time significantly. The FMC will maximize the efficiency of limited automation equipment to fulfill challenging customer orders. The FMC has remarkable features including immediate production control, the coordination and command of production equipment, and the ability to cope with different processing requirements.